Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, David Salazar here. I hope that you are enjoying these informative videos that I've been providing because I kind of want all of us to get better as far as knowing what the laws are and just insight and safety tips as far as motorcyclists go in Texas. That being said, I had a conversation today with my banker. He's actually a part of this group, by the way. Matt Nelson, please say hi if you see it, if you see this. Matt and I were talking about some stuff, and I just had an epiphany about some things that we were talking about. Matt is my personal banker at a bank here in Houston, Texas, and I was just thinking about some of the things that Matt does for me. And I gotta be honest with you, I can never in a million years ever do what Matt does because that's what I don't do for a living. That being said, I do want to address a couple of things with you guys because it's kind of been on my mind. I know that I've been giving you guys a lot of insight on a lot of things. I feel like that it's really helpful for you guys. That being said, I have a saying in my office that I kind of use pretty much religiously. Never hire a mechanic to do your accounting. Never hire a plumber to do your banking. Never hire a banker to do your mechanic work. And the reason why I say this stuff is because I'm an attorney. This is what I do for a living. I would never try to be a surgeon. And I say this to you because I have people who come to me time and time again who we talk to them, they seem like they have a solid case, we tell them we believe that we can help them out, and after all of that's said and done, they decide to go do it on their own. 80% of the time, they always come back and they always ask us if we can help them out. And we usually try to help them the best we can, but the problem with the case at that point is that they've already gone down a path where it's already been mismanaged because, not because it's any fault of their own, but it's because they didn't know what they were doing and some mistakes were made along the way. That being said, we try to kind of educate the public on what to and what not to do, hence these videos. If you have an accident, ladies and gentlemen, there is no problem with seeking help. I understand most people think that they may end up getting more money in the end if they handle it themselves. That's not the case. 9 times out of 10, if an adjuster sees that you are handling it on your own, they will exploit that and use it to their advantage all they can. So I'm just trying to let you know this because there are a lot of pitfalls when it comes to cases involving personal injury, especially when it comes to being injured on a motorcycle. So I'm telling you this because I would never hire a plumber to do my accounting. I'd never hire a banker to do my mechanic work. It doesn't make sense. It's not what they were taught to do. It's not what they were educated to do. I don't know the pitfalls in certain things. I wouldn't know. If I saw a plumbing issue at my house, I wouldn't even know where to start. So I tell you this just to purely educate you on this. I am not telling you to hire me for this. What I am telling you is that if you have an issue that comes up and you have been injured, hire an attorney to do it. It doesn't have to be me. Hire somebody you're comfortable with because all of this in the end ends up being about comfort. You have to make sure you're comfortable with the person you go with. That has to do with a mechanic, a plumber, a hairdresser, anything. So just keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy these videos and they're informative. That being said, hey, Matt Nelson, please say hi if you can in this group. If you have any questions, ladies and gents, please let me know. I'd love to answer them. And I love talking about this stuff with you guys, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye.